If you're seeing an MSN SSL certificate error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. We'll start with the quickest checks first, then move into clearing browser data if needed. This is a simple troubleshooting guide you can follow even if you're not very technical. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's get started with method 1, refreshing the connection in your browser. Open MSN in your browser and look at the address bar. Next to msn.com, click the lock icon. This is where your browser shows the security status of the website. After clicking the lock icon, select Connection is Secure or Certificate, depending on what your browser shows. Now pay close attention to what it says. If the browser says connection is not secure, then the issue is likely server-based. That means the problem is on MSN side or with the certificate provider, and there's nothing you can directly fix on your end. In that case, the best option is to wait and try again later, because the website owner or server provider will need to resolve it. But if it says connection is secure, that means the certificate is valid, and the problem may be coming from your browser or your network. If that happens, move on to method 2. This step often fixes stubborn certificate loading issues, old cache problems, and stored site data that may be interfering with MSN. To clear your browser data, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu in most browsers. In the window that appears, make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. These are the two main items that can cause a site like MSN to keep showing an outdated SSL error. Once those options are selected, click Clear Data. Give the browser a few seconds to finish removing the stored files and cookies. After that, reload msn.com and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, this fresh reload forces the browser to reconnect properly and load the updated certificate information. If the error still shows up after clearing your browser data, then the issue is probably not with your account. At that point, it is more likely to be a browser problem, a local network issue, or a temporary server-side certificate issue that is outside your control. You can try a different browser, restart your router, or wait and check again later. So just to recap, first check the lock icon and see whether the connection is secure. If it is not secure, wait for the server provider to fix it. If it is secure, clear your browser data, reload MSN, and test again. That's the fastest way to troubleshoot an MSN SSL certificate error. If this tutorial helped, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes and computer help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.